So the turnout for copper, 2 pounds, $1.50. Brass, 6 pounds, $1. Actually, it's $1 a pound, $6. And aluminum was 26 pounds, 25 cents a pound, $6.50. Wire, 10 pounds, 27 cents a pound, $2.70. Iron, 160 pounds, 3 cents a pound, $4.80. And this is motors, 92 pounds, 7 cents, $6.44. A total of $29.59. He gave me 30, which ain't bad. That's why I save all the cans and just mount it up. One day at a time. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next scrap run.